On YouTube, this is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors, bringing you guys another official video, guys. I did it. I'm done restructuring the kit. I'm super excited. I feel like I finally have it at a point to where I can fiberglass it. With that being said, I know a lot of my subscribers were interested in where I was at with the big turbo build, and I know a lot of guys are very interested in that. I took off more than I could handle, and I tried to say, let me hurry up and do this wide body kit while I'm waiting on the parts in the internal. But guess what, guys? The good news is I got it done, guys. So I got the head and the engine forged internals. So I am now ready to pump that power up, put it to the floor. On my last video, like I said, I was in the 600 range, and that's without fueling and just a upgraded high pressure fuel pump piston. So now, guys, as you can see, I'm pretty much at a good stopping point to where I can let most of the body from my kit work out with fiberglass or Bondo. This is going to be the front of it. As you can see, I have the front. I mean, I just think it's a masterpiece, honestly. Of course, I'm going to say that, but I really like how it came out. I really feel like when I put these to the streets, I'm going to draw attention. I'm thinking about, once I get it done, making it almost like a camo color. Let me know your thoughts on that. So, to the first point, I now am ready to do some runs with the engine, but I gotta hurry up and get this fiberglass in the exterior, and I'm pretty good at that. As you guys can see over there, those are my old kits. I'm actually reproducing this kit, and I'm sending that one to a subscriber, and I actually got it, I'm planning to have it molded to where I can send a lot of them out. So if someone's interested in that kit, let me know. I am selling it, and I got a subscriber who I'm giving this one to. So I'm probably gonna make about 10 sets. If you guys are really serious about it, you guys know how my car looked before. Just look at my videos if you wanna find out. Just let me know. And that diffuser right there is gonna go, I'm gonna customize it. That diffuser is actually from my Tesla Model 3 Performance. I'm gonna customize that diffuser to fit onto my RS5. I just think that's gonna look really cool. So back to the kit, guys. So if you look right over here, let me show you what I did extra on the kit. So on the back, I really wanted to veer towards the car. So as you can see, I came here and made the angles go that way to kind of follow the light. The same with the bottom. I veered it right into the diffuser, and I made that diffuser, by the way, guys. If you guys are interested, I have a video on that. And so this is kind of like a wide body on a wide body, right? So as you can see right over here, I really wanted to kind of have some curvature appeals right here. So I'm gonna walk over here. It's identical, guys. The measuring game is on point. So that gave me a nice part of the back. I really wanted the back to really stand out, so I'm feeling really good about the back right now. I think the rest of it I can just play with when I'm doing like the fiberglass and the Bondo, when I do the Bondo or the body work, right? So I'm gonna do it like this. I'm just gonna make another gas pipe. Excuse me, I'm just gonna make another gas tank cover just like that. It's gonna be just like the regular one with the Audi where you push it in. Also, another thing I did is I worked on the window line to where it can kind of have a cut here and a cut here and kind of veer that way to give it a really cool look. And you're gonna have this vent right here. This is gonna be a functional vent to cool off the tires. The rear of the car looks cool as well. Now, a lot of my subscribers were talking about this right here, and they were saying, you know, hey, what if the air goes in there? So I'm actually gonna do it. Have behind it's going to be empty, and it's going to come this way and come down and veer out. So it's going to be a functional. So tires are going to be cool. I know that much. And as you can see right here, I went ahead and put some vents right there. Going to have it pretty wide. The car is going to be, I would say, the widest Audi in the world. As you can see, I pretty much mirrored this side as well. Over there, same thing. So yeah, guys, I'm ready to rock and roll, you know. So just want to get you guys an update on this. Did get the engine in place, so I will start showing you guys more videos on the actual engine. And I'm going to start fiberglassing this body kit. I feel like I officially finally have it at a point. You know, when you're a builder and you're creating something, you think that you got it, and then you're going to keep going and going until you know you got it right. Because once you put that fiberglass on, it's done, right? So I'm feeling really comfortable with the way it looks so far. And at first, I had this coming this way. I had another subscriber say, what if you open the door? And he was 100% right. So I shortened that right there. So I'm kind of taking it in a bit at a time. I'm taking your guys' feedback, and I'm just following the journey. So so far, so good, guys. I mean, so far, so good. So yeah, if I'm looking right here, looking pretty good, looking pretty wide. No complaints here. Let me know your thoughts on this, guys. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Thanks for watching as usual. You guys are the bomb.com. I appreciate all the love and support. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Peace, I'm out.